Hello everyone. Let's discuss the first question which I gave to you as poll number 1. So the question is, how much approximate drug remains at the end of 4 hours if the drug follows first order kinetics? Initial administered dose is 100 milligram and out of which 50 milligram has been eliminated in first 80 minutes. So from this question we get to know कि this is the drug which is following the first order kinetics, and we also get to know कि initial drug dose जो है that is your 100 milligram and moreover 50 milligram out of 100 milligram has been eliminated in the first 80 minutes, and we are asked in the question to find out how much drug remains at the end of your 4 hours. So let's first see कि question बोल क्या रहा है. And from the question we got to know कि ये जो drug है that follows the first order kinetics. Now and we also know कि half life जो होता है drug का that is something in which कि जो हमारा initial dose होता है, like for example here the initial dose is your 100 milligram. So out of this 100 milligram if 50 milligram is eliminated, so 50 milligram is nothing but half of your 100 milligram. So we know कि half life is nothing but the time taken to eliminate half of the drug dose. So जो हमने drug dose दिया था उसका half is your 50 milligram and time taken for eliminating this 50 milligram is nothing but your 80 minutes. So this 80 minutes इसको हम लोग half life बोल सकते हैं इस drug का. So this is the T half of this drug, and as we all know कि the drug which follows the first order kinetics तो उसमें T half remains the constant. So T half constant रहेगा, that means कि even next 80 minutes में भी जो drug initially अब हमारे पास बचेगा उसका half will be eliminated. I hope that's clear कि T half remains constant. That means कि every time in each 80 minutes the जो परसेंटेज हमारा एलिमिनेट करेगा बॉडी से दैट विल बी 50%. सो हियर एज वी कैन सी कि ये 100 मिलीग्राम जो था, ठीक है, तो इस 100 मिलीग्राम का 50 हैज बीन एलिमिनेटेड. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद द 50 मिलीग्राम ऑफ ड्रग. ठीक है, अब ये 50 मिलीग्राम हमारे पास बचा है आफ्टर 1 hour 20 minutes which is nothing but your 80 minutes. Now here in the question it has been asked कि 4 घंटे के बाद how much drug is going to remain in the body. So for that let's first see कि 4 hours कितना होगा. So 4 hours अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, so 4 hours is nothing but your 240 minutes. So 240 minutes is like कि 80 multiply by 3 is your 240 minutes. सो 3 हाफ लाइफ हमें करना है एंड 3 हाफ लाइफ में हम लोग को देखना है कि कितना ड्रग हमारा रिमेन करेगा. सो नाउ आफ्टर 1 हाफ लाइफ वी नो कि 50 मिलीग्राम बच रहा है. सो नेक्स्ट हाफ लाइफ में इट विल बी 25 मिलीग्राम विच विल रिमेन. देन इन द नेक्स्ट हाफ लाइफ इट विल बी 12.5 मिलीग्राम विच विल रिमेन. आई होप दैट्स क्लियर कि 12.5 मिलीग्राम एलिमिनेट भी करेगा एंड 12.5 मिलीग्राम रिमेन भी करेगा. I hope that's clear. So this question was very easy. Now let's see the other question which was just like this but उसमें थोड़ा different concept लगेगा, and that was कि how much approximate drug remains at the end of 4 hours if the drug follows first order kinetics. Initial administered dose is 100 milligram and 30 milligram of the administered dose has been eliminated in 80 minutes. So here we know कि 100 milligram का 30 milligram is not the half. So this particular time period which has been given to us is not the half life of this drug. So we have another concept in the first order kinetics, and that goes like कि first order kinetics में not only the T half remains constant but also the percentage of drug or the fraction of drug eliminated remains constant in given period of time. I hope we all remember this कि जो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स होता है उसमें फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ड्रग रिमेन्स द सेम, वेयर एज जब जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स हम लोग पढ़ते हैं देयर द अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग जो एलिमिनेट होगा दैट रिमेन्स द सेम इन अ गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. आई होप दैट्स क्लियर. सो हियर वी नो कि जो 100 मिलीग्राम है उसका 30 मिलीग्राम इज जो 100 मिलीग्राम है, अगर उसका हम लोग को देखना है कि 30 मिलीग्राम इज हाउ मच, तो 100 मिलीग्राम का 30 मिलीग्राम इज नथिंग बट 3/10। आई होप इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होगा किसी को कि 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 इज योर 3/10। सो दिस इज 3/10 ऑफ योर 100 मिलीग्राम। इनिशियल डोज का 3/10 हमने एलिमिनेट किया है इन द फर्स्ट 80 मिनट्स एंड वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कि 4 आवर्स इज नथिंग बट 3 times of your 80 minutes, that is your 240 minutes. So now let's see कि अगर हम लोग को यही कांस्टेंट अमाउंट को एलिमिनेट करवाना है, इस कांस्टेंट फ्रैक्शन को, सो नाउ आफ्टर फर्स्ट 80 मिनट्स वी नो कि 100 माइनस 30 हमारे पास बच रहा है एंड दैट इज 70 मिलीग्राम। नाउ इन नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या होगा कि इट विल बी कि नेक्स्ट 80 मिनट्स में 70 का 3/10 विल बी एलिमिनेटेड। सो 70 का 3/10 इज नथिंग बट योर 21। सो नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 70 माइनस 21 and that is your somewhat 49. So now as we are left with 49 milligram, now 49 milligram जो बचा है हमारे पास उसका we have to eliminate 3/10 in the next 80 minutes. So let's take 49 to be 50 milligram for making our calculation easy. So 50 milligram का we have to calculate, so it will be 15 milligram. So 15 milligram. Now since this is the dose which is eliminated, so we are left with 49 minus 15 milligram, which is actually 34 milligram. So the nearest answer which we had in the poll was 35 milligram. As here we have taken 49 ko, we have made it 50. So the answer, the exact answer would have been 34.3 milligram. But since we have taken it for the simplicity of the calculation, so the answer, nearest answer which is there comes out to be 35 milligram. So the take home point is कि हम लोग को हमेशा ये देखना है कि whenever we are given the first order kinetics and a time period has been given और उसमें कुछ amount of drug has been given कि that is getting eliminated, so you have to first of all calculate the fraction of drug which is getting eliminated in a given period of time. So the given period of time here was 80 minutes. So हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया कि 80 मिनट में it was 3/10 of the drug which was getting eliminated. So now we know कि the question is asking for कि 4 hours के बाद how much drug will remain in the body. So for that let's calculate कि 4 hours के बाद how much drug is getting eliminated and जितना eliminate होगा उसको हम subtract easily कर सकते हैं from the initial dose और easily हमें calculate कर लेंगे हम कि कितना remain करेगा. So for that as we know कि 80 minutes जो है उसमें 3/10 remove हो रहा है and 80 minutes का 3 times was our 240 minutes which was nothing but our 4 hours. ठीक है, तो हमें इससे ये पता चला कि 4 आवर्स में 3 टाइम्स हमारा 80 मिनट्स का हमें करना पड़ेगा एंड वी सेड कि 80 मिनट्स का हमने 80 मिनट्स के बाद हमारा 70 बचा था. देन नेक्स्ट 80 मिनट्स में इट विल बी 21 एलिमिनेटेड, सो 49 विल रिमेन. देन थर्ड 80 मिनट्स जो होगा दैट विल बी कि उसमें हमारा 15 मिलीग्राम इज गेटिंग एलिमिनेटेड एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 34.3 मिलीग्राम विच इज नथिंग बट अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू योर 35 milligram which was the answer today. So I hope with this we have cleared our doubts. Now thank you. Have a nice day.